Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you some Spanish palindromes. You may be saying, what is a palindrome? I don't even know what that is in English. Well, I'll tell you, it's pretty simple. It's a word that can be spelled the same backward or forward, read the same backwards or forward. I'll give you some examples like this. Race car. You read race car forward and backwards, it comes out the same way. Here's a popular one in English that people use as an example of palindromes. Madam, I'm Adam. Yeah, backwards, forward, same thing. So you get the idea now what a palindrome is. What's the word in Spanish for palindrome? It's this, palindromo, palindromo. And you've got that accent on that I. So say it a couple times, you got it down. All right, let's jump into some Spanish palindromes. I'll start very simply. Oso, bear. Backwards, forward, same thing. Oro, gold. Or what about yo soy, I am. Yo doy, I give. Here's a good one. Ojo rojo. Ojo rojo, red eye. We're really saying I red, aren't we? Okay. La ruta natural. La ruta natural, the natural route. Or luz azul, blue light. Or la sal, the salt. Ose eso. Ose eso. I dared that. What about ya hay? Now there is. Now there is. Ana lava lana. Anna washes wool. You can see they're getting longer now. So it takes a little more practice. Amo la paloma. I love the dove. Allí ves Sevilla. Allí ves Sevilla. There you see Seville. And I hear that's a place you just have to visit. All right. Se verlas al revés. I know how to see them backwards. Okay. Sometemos o no sometemos. Do we submit or not submit? That's a long phrase, but it works out backwards. It's crazy. All right. Yo hago yoga hoy. I do yoga today. Somos o no somos. Are we or aren't we? Oro. Ya hay oro. Gold. Now there's gold. So that's a good one. Maybe you'll find gold. Who knows? All right. Ella te dará detalle. She will give you detail. All right. Now here's a very well-known one in Spanish. Dábale arroz a la zorra el abad. The abbot gave rice to the fox. All right. So, hey, there's some palindromes for you, palindromos, that'll get you started. And hey, there are a bunch out there. Look them up. They're a lot of fun to practice and try out and read them backwards and forwards. So now you know what a palindrome is if you didn't know before, and now you know some in Spanish. So look up more. If you have some really cool ones, leave them in the comments because we want to see them. All right, amigos, good to see you. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you soon. And then until then, I wish for you and your family and friends paz y bendiciones. Hasta pronto.